Lukomir is one of those places that once you see, you keep coming back. At a height of 1,495 meters, it is a scene that literally takes your breath away. The hiking trail to this place is a special experience. The 8-kilometer long mountain trail is all why I fell in love with solo hiking. Dramatic landscapes, fear, adrenaline, admiration can all be experienced here in just one single day. Time seems to have stopped here hundreds of years ago. The view of Lukomir and surrounding mountains from this vantage point is just unreal. After 6 hours of hiking, I finally arrived at the desired destination, and as soon as I entered the village, I was petrified by its beauty. Old houses, views, atmosphere, as if they came out of the most beautiful fairy tales. Everywhere you look here, the scenery is just like a postcard. Stone buildings that are several hundred years old are true small masterpieces of architecture. During my visit, only one elderly lady and her husband remained in the village. As they say, at the beginning of November, they will be the last to leave the village. With perfect and precise cuts from a piece of wood, this elderly gentleman will make a perfect wooden souvenir or coffee mug. However, one moment made this hike and trail different. Coffee in this place, with this old woman, it's something money just can't buy. The soup she prepared for me is one that is not served in restaurants. The atmosphere, the food in which it was served, as well as the view through the window, made this experience something special. After a short rest and a conversation with a cute married couple, I continued my journey to the lookout point that I actually came here for. While the village was disappearing from my view, I stopped every now and then to capture another detail before it disappeared into the autumn colors of the surrounding nature. The view from this place is unreal. I love hiking precisely because of these moments, alone and humble in front of the mountain, as if I'm asking for forgiveness for something I didn't even do. A view worth everything in this world, and yet completely free. If you ever visit Bosnia and Herzegovina, put this place on the map. It is an experience that will follow you for the rest of your life. I don't know if it's because of the nature, the people I met here, or the mountains. I will never ever forget this hiking trail.